Hello, welcome to Easy Living with Elle. Today I am participating in the $5 Goodwill Fall 2015 challenge created by Hillary of My So-Called Home. So these items that you see before you is what I will be using in this challenge. So let's get started. First, I went to my local Goodwill and I found this beautiful gold and green placemat set. This came this came with the placemats, the napkins, as well as the napkin rings, and it was originally $2, but I purchased it during the Fabulous Fridays, which is a program that the Delaware, New Jersey, and Maryland Goodwills participated in during the month of July and August, where all items were 50% off as long as they were not clothing items. So although this was $2, I actually paid $1 for it. The next thing that I purchased from my local Goodwill was this black lantern here. This lantern is missing the actual handle. And as you can see, it was originally marked at $5, but again, I purchased this during the Fabulous Fridays, so this actually cost me $2.50. So my total for the $5 Goodwill challenge is actually $3.50. I'm incorporating some old cinnamon scented pine cones that I've had for about 2 years, and believe it or not, they still actually have a slight cinnamon scent to them. And in addition to that, I am including this $2.40 clearance item that I found at my local Dollar General throughout. I purchased this about, it's almost been a year. It was a clearance item during when they were clearing out all of the Christmas items, and I picked that up. I was going to use it as a gift, but I ended up choosing to give the individual something else. And so as you can see, these came in handy, but the total dollar amount that I'm spending for the $5 Goodwill challenge is $3.50. And what you see here is an old gold tray that I've had for quite some time. So stay tuned and I will show you my final results.